The Stream House by Amoeba Design in Pune, India. Not very often, you come across clients who are extremely free-spirited and uninhibited, people who are not defined by the norms of society. When Nikhil and Anjali first came to us to design their house, we knew that this journey was going to be nothing short of creating a poetic manifestation of their lives into their home, which we call the Stream House. When we conceptualized their house, we knew it was a lively stream, not a placid river. While rivers wind slowly, gathering water and shaping civilizations along their banks, our design mirrored the youthful energy of a rushing stream akin to that of Nikhil and Anjali. It surged ahead with vigor, embracing its twists and turns as it flowed freely forward. The design journey of the project commenced with a nod to Japanese minimalism, drawing inspiration from its clean lines and uncluttered aesthetics. Additionally, we found ourselves inspired by the ethos of Indian architecture, particularly its knack for crafting nested spaces within larger ones. This influence is palpable in our strategic use of wooden columns and screens, which divide the space and infuse it with a sense of intimacy and intrigue, inviting exploration and revelation at every turn. The interior of this house authentically reflects the genuine essence and the underlying ethos of our design approach. From the exposed joinery of the table, kitchen cabinets, and bookstand to the deliberate construction of wooden elements, every detail is laid bare to reveal its true nature, mirroring the transparency and sincerity of our clients. Drawing inspiration from the traditional shoji paper screens, the wardrobe shutters incorporate frosted glass to echo this aesthetic, creating a subtle homage to the timeless craftsmanship of Japanese design. These meticulously crafted details serve as a visual narrative, seamlessly weaving together to illuminate a significant aspect of clients' honest and authentic personalities, much like the intricate threads of their lives. The Stream House strikes a delicate balance between geometric precision and the raw beauty of nature's imperfections. Rather than allowing rigid geometries to dominate, the design embraces organic elements, allowing them to take center stage. The undulating flow of the stream and the gentle curve of the skirting against the wall are accentuated by this juxtaposition, ensuring that geometry never overwhelms the aesthetic. There's a palpable sense of weightlessness that permeates the space. Whether it's the columns delicately perched on the rugged edges of exposed stone or the vaulted ceilings resting effortlessly on beams, each element exudes a sense of ease and grace. The vaulted ceilings, in particular, introduce a touch of drama as light dances along their curved surfaces, creating an enchanting interplay of shadows and illumination. Art in the Stream House is not just decoration, it's a carefully curated collection that tells a story, serving as a timeless homage to the ebb and flow of life. Together, these diverse elements converge to showcase the radiant beauty of imperfection, a testament to the inherent richness and complexity of life within the walls of this home.